Generative AI is set to transform every industry in the next 5 years. And this provides a tremendous opportunity for working professionals and fresh graduates to work in a technology that's going to be highly in demand. And what better way to prove your credentials than getting certified on AWS AI Practitioner? My name is Rahul Trisal and I work as an AWS Generative AI Solution Architect in a Fortune 500 company. And I'm also the best-selling Udemy instructor on AWS with courses on serverless, AWS CloudFormation, AWS CDK, and others. My last Udemy course on Amazon Bedrock and AWS Generative AI has 11,000 students, 1,500 reviews, and more than 2 million minutes already watched. In this course, we're going to explore 30 plus AWS services. We're going to deep dive into most of the AWS AI services. We're going to explore the business use cases, detailed solution architecture, hands-on demos, and enterprise perspective based on my implementation experience. For those of you with no experience in AI ML, we're going to start with absolute basics on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We're going to take a look at machine learning development lifecycle with AWS services, explore the use cases for Amazon Q Business, Amazon Q Business Architecture. Then we're going to look at Amazon Bedrock and RAG business use case scenarios, architecture, Amazon Bedrock agents, vector embeddings, machine learning development lifecycle with Amazon SageMaker, Jumpstart, responsible AI AWS tools and services. I'm also going to show you hands-on demo of key AWS generative AI services, including building AI assistant for a marketing manager with Amazon Q Business, a demo to better understand vectors and embeddings, Amazon Bedrock knowledge bases, retail banking agent with Bedrock agents, and Amazon Q developer. I've also enabled free preview mode for many of my lectures so that you can explore my teaching style. To help you pass the exam, this course also has 40 plus quiz questions, 2 mini sample practice tests with detailed explanations mimicking the actual exam questions very closely. Then finally, I have the video explanation of these practice tests which you can preview as they closely mimic the actual exams. Finally, this course comes with a 30-day 100% Udemy refund policy if you do not like the course. I'm sure you're going to love this highly engaging and hands-on course. I hope to see you in the class. Thank you.